Hey you guys, welcome to this edition of Mike Reed Outdoors. God bless you. Thanks for watching. Guys, today in this video I'm going to show you my Canon. Now guys, this Canon right here was made by my son several years back. And me and him had some fun shooting it on the 4th of July. This Canon is 10 inches long, guys. It's got an 8-inch deep barrel. It's a 50 caliber. I'm shooting a 350 grain Sabot solid nose bullet in it. I got laser sights on it. Let me see if I can get them lined up. It's really tricky. Okay. Also got elevation on it. I can drop the gun barrel down. Be close to the target right there. Alright, I got 50 grains, guys, of black powder in this gun. So let's fire the gun and see how she works. Come on, baby. That's something you can shoot on the 4th of July, you guys. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. Have yourself a great day.